Sunday, you had Saturday, okay? So you all are planting your you are all are watering your plants? Yes? Very nice. Very good. Okay. So new day, new week and I have something very exciting for you all. आज कुछ बहुत exciting है आप सब के लिए. So you can see यहाँ पे पीछे मेरे पीछे there is a white board. Okay. So I am going to do few things on the whiteboard and you are going to follow that with me. Okay. So I hope जो चीजें बताई है वो चीज ready है. No problem if you don't have few things. आप substitute use कर सकते हो and not at all an issue. But whatever that is being done, जो कुछ हम बोर्ड पे करेंगे या जो कुछ मैम अभी आपको बताने वाली है, that thing we have to follow. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great. So I can see still few of your friends are joining. So कुछ friends आपके join हो रहे हैं. So till then we can just do a small exercise. All right, we all can do this small exercise. You can follow me. So you have to take this hand. You can take your right hand or your left hand, and this is your thumb. Okay. So with this thumb, you have to first press your first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is the exercise. We have to press. We have to press all the fingers with our thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay. I can't see you all doing it. Start doing it with me. This is the exercise before we start today's class. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Yes, Ritu. Sorry. Yes, Ishan. Show me how it's done.
1,
No,
2,
you have to do this with me. Press the fingers with the thumb.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay. Good. Now do this. Lock your hands. Lock your hands together. 1, 2,
1,
3, 4,
2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7, 8,
8, 9, 10.
9, and 10.
10.
Very good. Very nice. Great. Okay. So first of all, what I want, I guess we can start
Now
or
on the video.
yes, we will start now. So what are we going to do? First of all, I want you all to have 4-line paper or 4-line notebook. Okay. Are you ready with your 4-line notebook? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is how we say yes. So we all are ready with the 4-line notebook. Great. Great. So now I'm just going to get up so that I can see you. I can show it to you on this board what we have to do. Okay. Just get a bit close. Okay. So you can see here, ma'am has made few 4 lines and we are going to do an activity. So the first thing you have to do now, क्या करना है जो कुछ whatever I am telling you to do, whatever I am telling you to make, okay, on this 4 line, you have to do it 5 times. Okay, so that means you have to do it for 5 lines. Okay, so I am going to show it to you what is going to be our first task. You can see here ma'am's screen is visible. First you have to do is, now we are using 4 lines. So this is line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 4. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to start with line 3 and continuation में you have to go on making a C. Now this C should not go beyond line 2 and line 3. Okay? It has to be between line 2 and line 3. Can you see all of you? Show me a thumbs up if it's visible. Okay. Yes? So you can see, अभी आप देख रहे थे मैम ने बिल्कुल भी हाथ नहीं उठाया. You will not lift your hand even once. आपने हाथ बिल्कुल नहीं उठाना है and you just have to make C in continuations. Okay? It should not go beyond line. यहाँ पे देखो मैम के लाइन के ऊपर चला गया. ऐसे नहीं होना है. It will be in single line. Yes, can you all see that? I want all the kids to do this by themselves. Okay. So, okay, my voice keeps on getting cut in between. Okay, I guess that is because I go far from the laptop. So this is the first activity. I want you all to start doing it, but with pencil, not with sketch pen, not with crayon. You all are going to do this with pencil. Okay? Yes, we have to use pencil and we have to do this on notebook or any page, 4-line page that you have. For 5 times. Okay, for 5 times. I will again show it to you how it's done. You can see here ma'am's notebook. Ma'am's notebook is visible. All right. So this thing we will do 5 times. Okay, and everyone is going to show it to me how it's done. Very nice, you can do it. Yes, Arav. Good morning. Yes, parents, what you can do is that you can just tilt their camera so that I can see how they are writing it or how they are doing it. Nice, Amitoj. Yes, it will not go beyond the second and the third line. Second and third line के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. And we'll do it continuously. Good. Very okay. Good, Arjun. Good. You can do this better. Good. You have to make a C, okay? So it should look like a C. यहाँ पे can you see ma'am's notebook here? It is looking like a C. Yay! Wow! Tavish is clapping for me. Thank you, Tavish. You are also going to write like this beautifully. Okay, Arjun. So can you see here, right? So this is how it should look like, a C. Yes, good, Sarah. Good. Yes, Vibhu. Were you able to draw C? Very good. Very good, Sunny. We have to do it 5 times. 5 times you have to do it. Okay, अभी एक line हो गया ना? We'll make 5 lines. You have to do 5 lines. Yes. Good. Wow. Very nice, Tia. Beautiful. Very good. Good, Manas. Excellent. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I can see Aishwarya doing it so nicely. Good. Good, Kartikeya. Good. Yes, Dave. We have to make 5 lines, okay? Beam या इन notebook उल्टा कीजिए. हाँ. Then show me. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Good. Good, all of you. Once you are done with 5 times, let me know. ठीक है? 5 times होने के बाद you just have to raise your hand. यहाँ पे raise hand का option है. So you can just raise your hand. So I know that you are done 5 times. Very nice. Very nice. Good. I can see Sarah's hand raised. Manas is also done. Good. Another 1 minute. Okay, Atharva is also done. Sunny is also done. Very good. Amitoj is doing it. Nice. Dave, 5 times, bacha. Good, Aishwarya. Good. Very nice, Aditi. Good girl. Very good. Yes, Ishan. Get it closer to the camera. Good. Very good, Ishan. Yes, very good, Vibhu. Good boy. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Yes, Dave. I can see it's written 1 time. Dave, you need to turn your notebook. Not turn the page, bacha, turn your notebook. So, yeah. ऐसे दिखा रहे हो ना? ऐसे दिखाओ. Yes. Turn your notebook. Yes. Okay. Great. Very good. Now we move to the next one. Now next one again we are going to do it 5 times. Parents, while they are doing it, today's day or today's activity is more about their cognitive skills and abilities. So there are few tips for the parents. Parents, while they're doing it, just make sure that their hand is moving very much, in cardinal, like moving with the flow. There is a flexibility in their hand and their finger movements. And जितना वो बीच में नहीं कट करते हैं, if they keep on going it as a single line, it's very nice, it's beautiful. So just make sure that they are doing it. Starting में they might not be in line, they might not be in proper sequence, but that's fine. That is the reason why we are doing it 5 times, because the first line which they do and the last line which they do, there has to be some difference. So तभी हमें पता चलेगा कि yes, they are making a change in their pattern. So the first line should be different from that of the last line. Okay, फर्स्ट लाइन माइट बी थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे है, सीक्वेंसिंग नहीं है, बीच में कट हो रहा है, एंड बाय द टाइम दे कम ऑन द फिफ्थ लाइन, देयर इज मोर coordination and there is more sequencing into it. Okay, yes, I can see Vedant. Very good. Very nice. Now we move to the next one. Again, you can see ma'am's screen. Again. Now next is 1, 2, 3. This was starting from the second line and third line. This starts from the third line and go till the first line. Okay. See? Can you see? So this is an L. Now, मैम का यहाँ पे L एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्स नहीं हो रहा है. There is distance between all the L. It is not mixing. So we also have to make sure that हमारा L mix नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? It should not be like this. ऐसे ऐसे नहीं करेंगे हम. This will be wrong. Okay? So we have to make sure that we have to make L, but we have to keep distance between each L. All right. Yes. We can start doing this. Again, we will have to make L 5 times. It is more about parents. It is more about this movement. Let their hand move flexibly. Five times. Which line? We will start from the third line, Sarah, and we'll go up to first line. Okay. So this is how we have to make it. Very nice. I can see Dave, Amitoj, Athar, Manas, notebooks. Good. Very good, Vibhu. We have to make sure that we are not mixing it, okay? हम बिल्कुल mix नहीं करेंगे. Every L should be different. We have to do this 5 times. That means 5 lines. Yes, Athar. Very nice. Okay, Athar, that looks good, but we can make it better, okay? That is nice, but हम लाइन के ऊपर नीचे जा रहे हैं. Yes, Vedant. Good. Okay. Yes, Manas, that's nice, but the L needs to be round, right? So all of you, your L needs to be round. उसमें इतना space होना चाहिए that you should able to color that L. If you don't keep any space in that round, we will not be able to color it. So when you are making L, ये बहुत important है, okay, बच्चों? So if I make my L like this, anyone can make a dash and it will become T. Then you will lose out on marks. अगर आप notebook में ऐसे लिखोगे and if anyone makes a T, then it will be wrong. Then it will not be a lion, it will be a lion. ऐसा अगर मैंने L लिखा, if this is how I write my L, and if someone does this, अगर किसी ने ऐसे कर दिया, तो ये तो lion नहीं है, ये lion हो गया. That is why your L always needs to be in curve. Okay? All right. So the L always needs to be in curve. Very good. Very nice, Sunny. बहुत अच्छे से L लिखा है. Good. Yes, Amitosh, you're doing it nicely, बच्चा. Good. Yes. Kartikeya, the same thing. The L needs to be in curve. If you don't keep curve, then it will go wrong. Yes, Arjun, you have raised hand. Show it to me. Okay. There is a curve. Nice. Very good. Yes, Sarah. Good. Okay. Yes, Pranjali. Good. Nice. There is curve. There is curve. Very good. Very nice, Aditi. Beautiful. Good. Good. Yes, Dave. You're doing it nicely. Curve कीजिए. Very nice. Okay. You done with 5 times? You can just raise your hand once you're done with the 5 times. Okay. Aditya, I can't see your notebook, but your video is off. Pia is done. Pranjali is done. Yamin is also done. Yes, Vibhu. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Aditya, can you please remove the background? Because I can't see your background ke karan. If you just remove the background. Very good. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very good. Very good. So I can see all of you are done with 5 times. All of you are done doing it 5 times. Should we move to the next one? You can show me a thumbs up or a thumb down. Okay. I can see few thumbs down. So let's do it quickly. Sarah, Ishan, you can finish it up. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Donash. Yes. You can turn here. Look at me. Good. Okay. That's nicely done. Parents, the only criteria, the only rule here is that the L needs to be in loop. The L needs to be round. There has to be space in the L and it should not look like a T. Okay, very good, Ishan. Ishan is done. Very good. Okay. So now कौन से letters किए कोई मुझे बता सकता है? Which two letters we did? Which two alphabets we did? Yes.
C and L.
C and L.
Ma'am, CLL.
Yes, very nice. We
Ma'am,
have done
C and L.
yes, we have done C and we have done L.
L.
Very, very good. Yes. Yes, Dave. Yes. Everyone, we have done C and we have done L. Okay. Now, next we are going to see is we are going to make O. O for tell me O for
और octopus, orange. बोलो.
octopus,
Ma'am,
Orange.
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 Owl. बोलो. No.
Yes,
Owl.
Vedant. Owl.
Owl.
Okay.
Owl. Oil.
Very nice. Very nice. So octopus, owl, orange. What else?
Ocean.
Oil.
Ocean.
Question. Question starts from Q, Sarah. Question.
Ocean.
Ocean. Okay, yes.
Ocean.
Ocean. Very good.
Ma'am, ocean.
Very nice. Yes, ocean. Very good. So now we are going to make O, but again this O needs to be in sync and in line. Okay, so you can see my screen and there is this whiteboard. So now again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you make an O, this will be a big round circle, but this will be a small circle. ये जो circle है ये छोटा होगा. If you make it like this, it will be wrong. Okay, this circle will not be this big. It has to be small. Yes, you can see. So one big circle and one small circle. Again in continuation. You will not make like this. It will be wrong. Okay. Also you will not make like this. No. It will start like this and it will go as a circle. Yes. So start making O for ocean, O for orange, O for octopus, O for owl. The big circle and the small circle. Okay. There has to be a big circle and a small circle. All right. We are going to make it for the 5 times. Yes, Kartikeya raised hand.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this is little difficult for him because he is not having proper grip still at yeah, the fine motor skill like gripping. So I'm trying on that, and the simple things I'm trying, like the standing line, sleeping line, not this curve, this kind of, yeah.
Okay, ma'am, that is the reason why. Yes, today's activity is more about focusing on the fine motor skills and developing that grip. So I have that is the reason why I have listed out few activities which will help on their grip or the holding thing and the move and the curve. So you can start with the simple one. If you are not going for O, we can start with the C, because C is the simplest and the first curve that comes in alphabets. So from C we make A, from C we make O. So that is how it is. So koi baat nahi ma'am, you can start with C. That is how he will start getting his curve and the grip. So this is for all the parents, even if the child is not having proper grip or fine motor skills, these activities will help him develop 3 parts. First is the grip between 2 fingers, putting a pressure, कितना pressure डालना है, इसलिए हम पेंसिल से ले रहे हैं, because अगर हम क्रेयॉन से या चौक से या स्केच पेन से लेते हैं तो उनका प्रेशर पता नहीं चलता है. द बेस्ट प्रेशर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इज थ्रू पेंसिल. सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर हमें पेंसिल से पता चलता है कि ये प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं या नहीं डाल रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट विच वी वर्क इज on their pressure, on their grip between these 2 fingers. Second is the fine motor skills, yani ki ye 5 fingers. And the third is the wrist part, that how flexibly their wrist is moving or how they are able to take the curve. So if they are not doing it in notebook, try to make them do it in air pe, directly in sky. Just make them do this activity. Even if there is no notebook, there is no blackboard or anything like that, just make them do it on air or on sand. So this will be very beneficial for them.
Ma'am, one more question. Do they need to exactly hold it like with 2 fingers, or it has to be a tripod grip?
Ma'am, actually in the start when they are kids, so we actually hold it, like we tell them to hold it in 2 fingers, and this is a support. So this finger goes on their notebook. But what happens if this finger goes on their notebook, the pencil is uplifted. पेंसिल ऊपर आ जाता है अगर ये फिंगर हम नीचे रखते हैं. सो व्हाट वी ट्राई टू मेक देम, वी टेल देम टू होल्ड इट इन 3 एज अ लाइक टुगेदर, नॉट लाइक दिस. अगर ये सपोर्ट में रहा तो पेंसिल ऊपर आएगा, बट अगर ये साथ में रहा विद द सेकंड फिंगर, देन इट विल गो प्रॉपरली. The actual ideal position, the ideal way of holding it is in 2 fingers, but we start for the kids, we started with 3 fingers and then we go to 2 fingers.
And one last question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, can I try him on the blackboard with the chalk?
Yes, ma'am. We can definitely, yes, we can definitely do it with chalk. आज मैंने इसीलिए blackboard या फिर sketch pen नहीं बोला, because I also want to understand how much pressure the child is putting in notebook. ये प्रेशर पेंसिल से ही पता चलता है कितनी डार्क पेंसिल चल रही है, कितनी लाइट पेंसिल हो रही है. तो ये प्रेशर बच्चे डाल रहे हैं या जस्ट बिकॉज आप उनका हाथ पकड़ के उनसे करवा रहे हो इसलिए ये प्रेशर हो रहा है. सो दैट गिव्स अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो ऑफ कोर्स ही कैन स्टार्ट विद डूइंग इट ऑन बोर्ड एंड देन ही कैन स्लोली मूव इन नोटबुक. बट दैट इज व्हाट द मेन एम इज, दैट पेंसिल से करेंगे तो प्रेशर के बारे में आइडिया आ जाएगा कि कितना प्रेशर डालना है, कितना नहीं डालना है.
तो मैम एक क्वेश्चन है कि जब आपने बताया कि यू हैव टू होल्ड विद 2 फिंगर्स ओनली टू हैव टू चाइल्ड, तो उसकी जो नीचे की पाम का एरिया है दैट विल नॉट कम ऑन टू द पेपर ना. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. ही इज नॉट राइटिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ. ही नोज दैट बट ही डोंट वांट टू राइट.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what should I do?
No, ma'am. Now I was just very specifically talking about Kartikeya because of his grip and his thing. So with small kids, we start with 3 fingers only. Like with 2 fingers, we hold the pencil, and the third finger is used as a support on the notebook. But when we are doing it, अगर हम भी लिखते हैं तो automatically this palm thing comes on the notebook. अगर हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, then it will create a lot of pressure and the kid will not feel like writing क्योंकि उससे यहाँ पे उसके pressure आएगा.
He is not putting it down, na? He is doing like this only. He
Yes.
is not putting like this.
Correct. So that will what will create pressure और इसी कारण वो लिखने का उसको मन भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे पेन होने लगता है. So first thing, ma'am, you have to start doing it is you have to start making him put all his fingers down and then start writing with it. या फिर अगर वो palm नीचे नहीं रखता है, then at least he should have this finger as a support.
That he has.
Okay.
That he has, but what is my motto is that intentionally he don't want to write it. मतलब मैं हाथ लगाऊंगी, then he can write anything. But
Correct.
the moment I just withdraw my hand, he's like, scribbling. लो जो करना है कर लो.
Okay, ma'am, in that case, I have a technique for you because that is what we have been doing in school. So, हम क्या करते हैं? We put a rubber band. We all have rubber bands at home. So, what we do, we just tie the rubber hands and the pencil together. These 3 fingers and the rubber band together with the pencil. So, they are not able to move this. So, that automatically starts creating pressure here. And the kids who don't like putting their palm or their wrist on the notebook, they automatically start doing it. क्योंकि बहुत pressure आता है हाथ पे. क्योंकि ये तो वो move नहीं कर पा रहे. We have held it together. तो जब ये एक साथ stick हो गया है, automatically this movements becomes very restricted, and then they start putting their wrist down. So that is what you can start doing with Vedant. Okay.
Yeah, sure, I'll do because I'm practicing him with many, months, but he is not writing it out. I'll try this. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Okay, I can see Manas has done. Yes, Manas, you have shown. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Ishan, okay. Good. Okay. You're holding Tia's hand. No problem at all, ma'am. The main thing is even if you're holding it, like हम भी बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पे हाथ पकड़ते हैं, but this thing is what they should keep moving. So you can hold it here or you can hold it here, but she should also make some movements. अगर हम बच्चों का हाथ बहुत देर तक पकड़ते हैं तो वो छोड़ देते, वो they are like कि हाँ मम्मा कर रही है या sister या पापा doing it, so I don't have to take a lot of efforts. Even if you're holding it, make sure that she's moving her hands and doing the movements. Okay, great, very good. So clap for yourself, all of you, for this one. Clap for yourself. Clap, 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 clap. Now keep the 4-line notebook aside and take a plain paper. Okay, you can keep the 4-line notebook aside. हो गया. This you should be practicing at home. या आप अगर रोज practice करते हो, see ma'am also practice it every day. So even you also practice it even now. It's very good.
मैम हो गया.
हो गया. Very nice, Ishan. Now we will keep the 4-line notebook aside and we'll take a plain paper. Okay. Yes. Sunny, very good. Very nice, bacha. Good. Very good. Now we are going to have plain paper. Plain paper. And you all are going to see what ma'am is going to do now on this plain paper. Sit. Okay. Now, as you have plain paper, I have got plain board.
Can I take a 1-line notebook?
You can take 1-line notebook, but we have to do it on plain paper. ये activity है. You don't have to write anything. You have to draw now. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now all of you are going to see here. पहले हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे. Now this we are going to do it on whole plain paper. Okay? पूरे plain paper पे हमने ये draw करना है. I'm starting with small circle and I'm making a big circle.
Oh.
Yes. But यहाँ पे देखो, the circle lines are not joining each other. Okay? ये जो lines है ये join नहीं हो रहे हैं. So we also have to take care जब हम circle बनाएंगे. Oh, this will fall. हम जब circle बनाएंगे, we have to make sure that you're not touching the lines. All right? From small circle, we'll go to the bigger circle. Yes, all of you understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? Great. Now this activity you are going to draw on that plain paper 10 times. This activity you are going to draw it on your plain paper 10 times. Okay? We start from small circles and we go on drawing the bigger one. Now parents, again, this is a very nice activity for the kids who doesn't lift their hands, because for this activity they have to lift their hands. I mean the palm, the wrist part. And even for those जो ये lift करते हैं, इनके लिए भी ये activity बहुत ज़्यादा better है. So yes, it is all about this moment. From small, we go to big. We are going to do this 10 times on this complete plain paper. All right.
Ma'am. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
Satar, हो गया. 10 times. Okay, good. Arjun. Good. Now, ma'am could do it fast. Ma'am ने बहुत fast किया because ma'am के वो habit में आ गया था that I could make the circle fast. But we will go really slow, making sure that we are not touching the lines. After this activity, we are going to play one game. Very good, Sarah. But there has to be small circles and then bigger circles. Yes, Vibhu, can you get it a bit close, bacha? Close to the screen. Okay, very nice. You have to make it on complete paper, okay? Make it 10 times, complete paper pe. Very good.
Pooja.
Yes, Pooja.
Okay, ma'am.
Wow.
Pooja itla try பண்ணுங்க. போடு. சீக்கிரம் போடுங்க.
Very nice. Very nice. Good
Vedanta
girl.
also.
Good girl.
अच्छा मैम देख ली. Vedanta.
Yes, Vedant ma'am is. Yes, Vedant ma'am आपकी screen को देख रही है.
போடுவால வந்துச்சு.
Good, Manas. Good. From small to bigger, good. Yes, Hardik, very nice. Yes, Tia, good. Very good. I can really see the efforts by the kids and the parents. Yes, Tavish. Very nice. थोड़ा अभी भी मिक्सिंग हो रहा है, but yes, you can do better. Good, Aishwarya.
You know how they think like my little one has done circle and suddenly he draw the line.
Line.
कैसे I mean candy बना दिया. I mean their
Right.
imagination is like beyond us.
That's true.
Ma'am, हो गया, I've done.
Yes, very good. Ishan. Now, Manas, you have made a candy. So, can you color that candy? You can color that candy, right?
Actually, my little one Ritvik did this.
Okay, Ritvik did this. Okay, Ritvik can color the candy.
Yeah, Ritvik.
Candy for him. That's nice. Very good, Sara. Very good, Aditi. Aishwarya is doing it so nicely. Very good, Atharv. Yes, Dev. That's good. That's good. That's nice.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Shanmuk's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Problem I'm facing when I'm holding his hand, he is doing nicely. When I just leave him, he's touching the inner circles.
Okay. He's touching the inner circles.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, in that case, what we can do is that I will just show it to you. This is for all the parents for any activity that the kid does. So, what we can do is that for kids, how I do it is I make dots diagonally. And then I start with it and I tell them to touch the dots. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
we can make the dots for them diagonally, and then we can give them a starting point. So this will be the starting point. This is how they go. This is how they touch it. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. I can see everyone is done. That's good. That's nice. Very good. Sunny, Aishwarya, Pranjali, Dev, Vibhu, Atharv, Sara. Tia is also done. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Yay. Good. Okay. Ishan is not done. I can see a thumb down. Okay. Now I am going to give 1 minute. Okay. In 1 minute, everyone else will be done so that हम game खेल सके. All right. अब आज बहुत पढ़ाई हो गई ना. We were writing. So we are now going to play a game. So I will just explain you what the game is. इस game के लिए भी again you need to have few plain papers with you. And इस game का नाम है opposites. Okay. So the name of this game is opposites. What do you understand by opposites? Can anyone tell me what is an opposite?
एक दूसरे का उल्टा, day night,
Yes.
good bad.
Yes. Opposites मतलब क्या है? उल्टा. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going. Yes, white, black, day, night. Okay. So the game is very simple. Game बहुत simple है, and you are going to enjoy it. Yes, Pooja. Okay. So the game is very simple. You all are going to enjoy it. मैम स्क्रीन पे आपको कुछ इमेजेस दिखाएगी. ओके. आई विल शो फ्यू इमेजेस ऑन स्क्रीन, एंड जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहा है उसका ऑपोजिट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. ओके. यू डोंट हैव टू टेल इट टू मी. आप अनम्यूट करके नहीं बताओगे. You will not unmute and you will not tell, but you have to draw. Understood the game? Yes or no? Should I tell again? मैम फिर से बताया आपको. मैम आपको स्क्रीन पे कुछ इमेजेस दिखाएगी. आई विल शो यू फ्यू पिक्चर्स ऑन स्क्रीन एंड उसका ऑपोजिट क्या है ये आपको ड्रॉ करके मैम को बताना है. Okay, so the game is very simple and the game is very exciting as well. So quickly I am going to share my screen with you. You can see my screen here. So this is the name of the game, opposites, and this is your first picture. Can you see this picture? क्या देख सकते हो आप screen पे? What is it?
Sun.
Sun? Yes,
Sun.
it's a sun.
Sun.
Yes. So now you have to draw opposite of sun. Sun का opposite क्या है? That you have to draw. Okay. Quickly on the plain paper that you were using, हमें अभी sun को opposite draw करना है. Sun is for a day. So what is opposite of day? We have to draw that. Now this you can draw with the sketch pen and with colors. That is why I needed sketch pen and colors. This you can draw with sketch pen and with oil pastels or any color that is available. Okay. Opposite of sun. Okay, wow. Manas has drawn a moon and some stars. Very good. Again, here there is no compulsion of what color or anything. They can use whatever they feel like using, however. Okay, Vedant has drawn a moon. Very nice. Very nice. Ishan. Good. Good. That's good. Yes, Arjun. Very good. A moon and a star. Aishwarya. Very nice. Aishwarya does such beautiful drawing. I can see. Very good. Very nice, Sunny. Yes, Vibhu. Very good. So sun ko opposite we all know it's a moon. Day ko opposite it's night. So sun comes in day. So it's sunny. It's day right now. So the opposite will be night. Very nice, Tia. A star and a moon. Very good. Now we move to the next one. Who is he? Kaun hai? It's a. Yes, Vibhu. You are saying it nicely, but you are on mute. It's a. Boy. Yes.
Boy.
Yes, it's a
Ma'am,
boy.
boy.
Yes, it's a boy. Now, what is opposite of a boy? What is opposite of boy?
Girl. Ma'am, girl.
Yes. Opposite of boy is a girl. So now we are going to, yes. Boy ko opposite hai girl. So now we are going to draw a girl. Now you are, yes. So now it's a boy. Now we are going to draw a girl. You can draw with any colors, pencil, sketch pen, anything you feel like. Yes. So opposite of a boy is a girl.
ये सब रंग हो गया ना उनका.
Wow, very
जो
nice.
लड़की का बनाया मैंने कल का दिया है.
Okay, लड़की को आपने से बड़े-बड़े बाल बनाए. Very nice. Good. Good. Opposite of a boy is girl. Later on, you can color these pictures, okay? So later on, you can color the boy, girl, moon. Manas, thoda sa upar. I can still see the. Okay, very good.
Sun next picture boy, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Next picture boy, ma'am.
आप कम बोलो.
First
I can't. Okay. I can see there are a lot of people
hello,
who are
Akanksha ma'am.
on unmute, so I will not be able to hear you all. Yes, Aditi, I can see a girl.
girl.
Very good. Very nice. Yes, Ishan, you have made a girl.
मैम गर्ल बन गया.
Very nice. I can see her hair. Very good. Very good. Yes, ma'am. I guess someone called me.
Ma'am, first picture sun, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. First picture was the sun.
Second picture, ma'am.
Second picture is this, the boy.
Boy. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Vedant also made
Okay. Yes, Vedant, you have made a girl. Very good. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have skin color, so I have colored the girl with orange color.
No problem at all. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, I can see Tavish has made a girl. Sunny, you made a girl. Aishwarya has made a girl in green color. Very good. Tia has made a girl. Very nice. Arav has made what? Okay, she is also making a girl. Very good. Very good. Now we are going to go for the last image, last thing which we are going to make today. Now what is this? हमने last session में, I remember when we were talking about emotions and we were talking about being happy. So now our class is coming to an end. So that's a happy face. But, yes, but now our class is also going to end. So how will be your face? So what is the opposite of happy face?
Ma'am,
Sad face. Yes, it's a smiley, it's a happy face. So opposite of happy is sad. Okay. Yes, Sunny, Vedant. Later on, you can color them.
Ma'am, can you please show all the pictures again?
मैम I've done.
colored.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I show?
Okay, I will just quickly show all the picture once. Very good, Ishan. Very nice. Now, जो आपने drawings बनाए हैं ना, if you can just color them, that would be great. You can color them by your choice, no problem. Okay.
I've colored them.
Okay. So this was our first picture, the sun. जिसका opposite we made moon and few stars. After that, it was a boy. So opposite of boy is a girl. So we made a girl. And the last one is a smiling face. So opposite of a smiling face is a sad face.
मैम बना लिया वेदांत ने. दिखाओ.
Very nice. Yes.
Madam Karthike is saying opposite of sad is worried.
Opposite of sun is
No, opposite of sad is worried.
Oh, sad is worry. Okay.
He's saying worried. See,
Karthik,
Anish.
you're showing a worry face. Okay. All right. Oh, very good. Wonderful. I can see Sarah colored her moon gray. Then she made a girl. Then she made a sad face. She colored it. Very good, Arjun. Very good, Dev. You have made a happy face, Dev. We have to make opposite.
You have to make
We have to make an opposite.
sad.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good. Yes, Vibhu. Very nice. Very nice. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Tavish. Very good. Very good, Pranjali. So good. Good, good. Now all of you show it to me on screen. Quickly show it to me on screen what you have made. All of you have made it, colored it. Show it to me on screen. Okay, Aishwarya has made a sad face. Okay. Okay, good. Yes, you can color it to them. If you're not done coloring, आप बाद में भी color कर सकते हो. No problem at all. No problem. Okay. Now leave the paper aside.
Mama.
Yes, Aditya, very good. Beautiful. Okay. Now keep the paper aside. Quickly keep the paper aside. रख दीजिए साइड में. रख दीजिए. And clap for yourself. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Now you all did a wonderful job. आपने सबने बहुत अच्छे से आज की एक्टिविटी की है. So a big thumbs up to you all. Big thumbs up. Yes. And this is a reminder for the parents. So I had received two parents. I had, two parents contacted me regarding the activity on the Parents' Day. So if any one of you, if you have missed out on first day, so on the last day, we are going to celebrate Parents' Day. So अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसी techniques है या आपके पास कुछ ऐसे games है, कुछ activities है, which you want to teach the other kids. Now it's been the 6th day. So abhi aapko bhi pata hai what kind of activities we do, what kind of games we take. So if you have anything like that and if you want to conduct for all the kids on the last day, you are most welcome. You can contact me and you can tell me what is there in, what ideas you have, and we can figure it out. So a last day will be more of a fun session for both the parents and the kids. So kuch bhi activity, kuch bhi game, anything that you think that you can conduct in class with other kids, and it will be fun at the same time, a learning experience for them. So please contact. And all the kids, you are doing a great job. So thumbs up. Yay. Good. Good. So now we are going to meet tomorrow, and for tomorrow I have a surprise for you all. Okay, so I'm not going to tell it to you now. It's a surprise. But if you have a sibling, अगर आपका कोई भाई है या बहन है, आपसे छोटे हो सकते हैं, आपसे बड़ा हो सकता है, no problem. So just make sure that your sibling is sitting with you for tomorrow's class. Okay. So you have to sit with your भैया या फिर आपकी दीदी, आप किसी के साथ भी बैठ सकते हो कल. ठीक है? All right. So thumbs up and see you. Bye bye. This is how we say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
बोलो टाटा. Bye.